Hi, my name is Igor Vereninovga. I'm the CEO and co-founder of EMLID. At EMLID, we are building really high accuracy GNSS devices that are finally made affordable and accessible to everyone on the worksite. I'm really excited to introduce our EMLID Reach RX in the Korean market. I'm really looking forward to serving both large-scale projects where we are able to deliver accuracy at scale, but also to serve individual surveyors who can now get access to this really cool survey gear. The Reach RX is a high-accuracy GNSS device. It allows you to get your position down to 1 centimeter. It's fully waterproof, rugged, it's really compact, and it works up to 16 hours on one charge. The Reach RX recently won the Red Dot Design Award in 2024, and the standout feature of Reach RX is its scalability. It has been designed with non-surveyors in mind to make it really scalable on a construction site or for inspection needs, for scanning, where you can have one of these devices for every team member and they don't need to learn how to use it. Traditionally, high-accuracy GPS is something that's been developed for surveyors and required specialized professional training, then training by the equipment manufacturer, learning how to use a particular software. And while this is important to those professionals, it was a clear blocker for wider adoption. Not everyone needs to know all the ins and outs, all the functions. So we have decided to create a device that just works right out of the box and that everyone can use. I think that's really a standout feature of Reach RX, and that's what allows us to achieve this scalability. I can also give you an example that we have a really large deployment of these devices for scanning trenches in Germany, and the actual person who is using this system is the excavator operator, not a surveyor. So the excavator operator is digging a trench and then getting out of the excavator, scanning the trench with the device, and then going back to digging. This is the ease of use that we were able to bring to this industry, that non-surveyors can finally access this centimeter level accuracy. So the revolution that we made at EMLID was, first of all, that we made GNSS receiver that was 1/10 of the price of a traditional receiver, and that also worked with your iPhone, with a mobile app or with a scanning app. So that's now drastically much easier to use. It's way lower in cost. It's much more affordable. So I think that really sets us apart from any competition, and again allows us to achieve that large scale in projects. So one of the biggest applications that we have now for Reach RX and for the scanning solutions in general is in scanning trenches for fiber optic cable deployment. So these are used to document where the cable is and if everything has been done properly. This is really used at scale. We're also seeing great adoption for archaeological reconstruction, for documenting cultural heritage. That's where I think this system also really shines. We're also very much looking forward to accident reconstruction applications, because this is something that could be like in every police car and they can very quickly reconstruct an accident, having the Reach RX and the scanner from Pixfody in one solution. I mean, the Reach RX just looks great. That's the first thing. Usually it's the accuracy, great battery life, and just how easy it is to use. I mean, we promised it's gonna be just like press the button and it works, and then people are just, oh yeah, just as you promised, you just push the button and it works. Yeah, of course. Well, first of all, they should contact E8 for more information on this solution, and especially on the combination of Reach RX with the Pixfody Catch app. So together they allow you to produce very quick scan without the upfront investment of a LiDAR scanner, and also with much better usability in the field. Contact E8 today to learn more about EMLID Pixfody solution.